Yo, what's up? Today, anyways, yeah, going to maybe 2-car meets tonight. Sorry, I don't feel like focusing all this stuff. We're going to 2-car meets tonight. Me and Kat. I'm not sure if Veronica's going. Oh shit, block out her name. But she's the one that owns that old school Firebird and cooking hot dogs and yeah, those buns if you can't see. But yeah, I'm about to chop up some onions and stuff like that. And looking at, turn it down a little bit. Yeah, hold up. How do you say his name? Ninja Bart. But yeah, he's really cool. He actually talks to his subscribers.
But it was between getting one of those and getting a new engine for this.
For real?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the new engine. I already ordered the transmission.
Damn. Alright, Power Ranger.
Go, Power Ranger.
Look at this. Got my favorite color. Come on, man. I told him we need compensation for that.
Zorro on top, the little.
Oh, snap. I didn't see that.
He's my co-pilot, you know. First mate, gotta keep the joint safe when I park in the city.
Oh, dang it. I just.
Because I don't have an alarm system.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn.
My door, like, oh man, I'm not even gonna tell you the tales of woe from trying to fix the damn door last summer. I just gave up.
I gotta fix the stupid sensor on my car.
Oh no, the sensors are the worst.
On top of that, like, it depends on the wind, which way it blows, which way it
Ooh, wee. Hi. Look at you in the new car.
I've had this one longer than I had my Evo.
For real?
Yeah.
I've never seen you bring it out.
Yeah, and I was storing it.
On the vlog, dang it.
Oh my god.
That's funny. I'm about to nut.
No, I had a GTS same year, but I freaking snapped the timing belt.
Ooh.
Yeah, I had to take the whole car.
I spent all week fucking working on the TV axles on this thing.
Oh yeah?
My left side outer boot had a puncture in it, so it was spitting grease out.
Oh, okay.
So I took it out and couldn't find a boot to fit it, so I took it to my buddy's shop to rebuild it. So we rebuilt it, put it back in.
Really?
But we couldn't find any straps big enough to fit on the end, the outside of the TV boot.
Right.
So I just did a big like 35.
I'm just gonna. Is that Gunslinger? Did he get a new car?
I thought his was white. Was it that one?
Hi. She's cursing me out and see the finger.
Oh, with the boat.
People call me weird because I don't like the pop-up headlights.
Oh, I love pop-off headlights. Yeah.
No, man. I can't. Something's coming. Oh, that's the homie. I wonder if he's going to Street Ambition. I wonder if he's going to vlog too. Who cares what you want?
I do what I don't care if you don't
Hey,
care, I care.
What you gonna do?
Go to sleep.
Hey, why you always talking crap to me? Hey, don't rev at me, Suki man.
That's what I do.
What you say it? Say what you say to me. Oh, you don't want to do it. I'm trying to focus with you. What? What'd you say? What? Hey, come on, let's jump her. Come on. Come on.
You ain't about that life. You're not thug life.
Hey.
Hey. What the fuck is wrong with you?
There we go. Is that my neighbor? Oh, he got GoPros. You see that car? You see it's like the front bottom lip. He has like that. I think it's what, an SRT, right? Yeah. He like lives down the street. When he comes by, oh my god, I just shiver. I shiver. Why you gotta hate? Hopefully this comes out. Like, I never really took the time to like look at him. Dude, white on the car is freaking amazing.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.